The myth of Pangu, a Chinese myth about creation.
The specific event was the creation of the Earth and the universe and how everything on Earth came to be. The first picture was of the Earth in its early molten stage. The second picture is of the Earth now.
The scientific explanation.
The scientific start of the universe was when the Big Bang expanded and debris flew everywhere. This debris then became the galaxy and the sun. The rest turned into other stars and planets. One of these planets was Earth.
The name of the culture.
This myth came from ancient Buddhists. The location.
Myth came from China. What it explains. It explains how the universe was created. The time period. It was made around the middle of the Western Zhou dynasty, when the universe started.
First, the universe starts as a dark chaos in a cosmic egg with the sleeping giant Pangu. One day, he stretches inside the egg, further breaking the eggshell. That releases the egg white, yolk, and Pangu. The egg white became space, while the yolk became the Earth. How the Earth and space move where they are now. Pangu then started growing 10 feet every day for 18,000 years. This pushed space and Earth apart, which marked the beginning of yin and yang. And then Pangu shaped the Earth and sky using his tools. Finally, Pangu, exhausted by his work, fell asleep and died. How everything came to be. When he died, parts of his body became different parts of the world. His head, arms, feet, and stomach then became great mountains to anchor the world and mark its boundaries. Pangu's breath became wind and clouds. His voice became thunder. His eyes became the sun and moon. His blood formed rivers and seas, and his veins turned into roads and paths. His sweat became rain and dew, and his bones and teeth became rock and metal. His flesh changed into soil. Hair on his head became the stars, and hair on his body became vegetation. Some say that the humans came from fleas and parasites that fell from Pangu's body and beard.